Struggling to understand linked lists? Dive into this beginner-friendly tutorial and master data structures in Swift and SwiftUI today. This is the app feature that we'll be creating. The user is able to enter a new person to be stored within a list, and then enter an ID, add the person to the list, to the linked list. As you can see, my name and ID is displayed within the list. You can also filter or search for names within a linked list by typing Bob or B. It locates all the names that contains the letter B. If I type in E, it locates all the names that contains the letter E. So this is the tutorial we'll be creating. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new file and name the file person. The next thing we need to do is to define our class, which is called person. Because the linked list will be interacting with person objects. Public var my ID, which is int. We also need an initializer, public init, name, string ID, int, and then we need to assign the name to the name property of the person class. Self.name equals name. Self.myId equals ID. The next thing we need to do is to create an extension. We just create that extension within the person class, but the person class is a very small file. Extension, person, identifiable, we need identifiable to loop through the values to populate the list. Public var ID int self.myId, and the purpose of lines 22 is to return the person's unique identifier. I'll just compile it. In the next tutorial, we will add the linked list nodes class. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.